In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to create an attractive preschool worksheet. First, we open Microsoft Word blank file. For drawing the page border, click on Design and then on Page Borders. Now click on Custom and choose design of your choice from the Art option. Your selected page border is set. Type Name field and then press Ctrl and R keys together to write align text. To select font style, click on Home and then select font style of your choice. For reducing font size, press Ctrl and small bracket button together. Now type title of the worksheet. For placing text in the center, we press Ctrl and E buttons together. For increasing font size, we press Ctrl and small bracket close buttons together. Set font size and style as per your requirements. Type subtitle of the worksheet and adjust font style and size accordingly. Now click Insert and draw a table. Adjust height of table as per your requirements. Now go to Google, search an image relevant to your worksheet and save it at your computer's desktop. Now click on Insert, then Picture and click on Picture you saved on your desktop. This is how your picture will be inserted in the table. You can adjust height of picture by dragging or expanding it from the corners. To copy a picture, select it and press Ctrl and C button together. Then press Ctrl and V button together. By using these short keys, you can copy and paste pictures. Now go to Insert, then Shapes and select text box as shown. Draw a text box. Write desired text as per the requirements of the worksheet. To align all boxes, go to Shape Format and then Align Objects option as shown. This will equally align and distribute all boxes evenly. To remove border of text boxes, in Shape Format, go to Shape Outline tab and select No Outline option as shown, and border is removed. This is how you can create preschool worksheet yourself, step by step. This is your final preschool worksheet. Amazing, isn't it? Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. See you next time with more attractive stuff.